Y'all, I gotta see this for myself. I'm sorry. Hey you guys, it's your girl Faith. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be going over 2 deep conditioners. Yeah, you heard it here live. Not 1, but 2. I'll be going over the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask, everybody's favorite, my personal top 10 best deep conditioner, top 5 best deep conditioner right here, and versus the new TGIN Rose Water Hydrating Hair Mask. Y'all, I gotta see this for myself. I'm sorry, because the other TGIN was it RepaiRX deep conditioner versus this one was kind of looking a little the same, if you ask me. No shade, but the ingredients was looking a little bit the same except for like 1 ingredient, 2 ingredients, but that's none of my business. These ingredients are different, and I'm just ready to see the tea. Before we get into the video, you guys, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys won't miss any videos from me. I post once a week. Now let's get into this video. So you guys, in the next video coming up, I will be reviewing these products from the line: the smoothing leave-in conditioner and the curl defining styling gel. I'll probably do a wash and go or a braid out, twist out, whichever one I feel like doing. I will make sure to get that out for you guys. Now let's get to the tea. So, starting off, the consistency for both of these are different. This one, the Rose Water line, is more on the liquidy side, and this one right here, she's thick. Almost got me. She's thick. Let me go ahead and see what these two smell like. Heaven, knew that. And this one, okay, got a nice little rose scent. Okay. And I know that the Rose Water line, this deep conditioner, doesn't have any glycerin, protein, or shea butter, and it does have aloe vera juice and coconut oil. This one has raw honey, olive oil, stuff I can't pronounce, fruit oil. Y'all, I'll put the ingredients down below, but I know they're different just by looking at them. This one has rose water, acai berry, fruit extract, ginger root, lavender flower extract, and dimethicone. Now I know that most of TGIN products has dimethicone in there. I don't know what that's about, but hey, their products work for me, and I'm in love with the majority that I have tried. Now I did notice that this one from the Rose Water line says a gentle hydrating deep conditioner for waves, curls, and fine textured hair. Baby girl, I do not have no waves, fine textured hair. Like, I got coils, kinky, curly. That's me. 4A, 4B, high density hair. Lord, I hope this works. So you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my Old Faithful. I already know how it works. You guys, if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you know that this is a gem right here. I'm gonna just go ahead and apply this to the left side of my head, your right, and I'll be back to apply this new Rose Water Hydrating Hair Mask from TGIN. on to this bad boy right here. I am so excited. When I seen that TGIN came out with a new line, I had to go get it. I am a little late because I have to make sure I got other videos out for you guys, but late, but I still got it though. That's all that matters. I do have hope. Look at that, y'all. Just dripping. I do have some hope in this deep conditioner because it's just like TGIN has never let me down with all the products that I have tried. Why would they let me down now? Especially as far as deep conditioners go, they ain't never let me down. Never. So I am just going to part that section up right here. Where that clip go? And yeah, you guys, I'm excited. Okay, so let me give me some. Y'all, look at that. She is watery. Maybe that's why they said it was for like fine textured hair, but y'all, it's gonna work for me today. Okay. Give me a little bit more. A lot more. This is most definitely not, I can't even explain it. Like, it does not feel like the Honey Miracle Mask at all. I don't know, y'all. This is kind of scaring me. I don't know. Maybe this might be for thin textured hair after all, because it's really not. I feel like I have to apply more to make it feel like it's doing something. I mean, it feels good, but not as good as the Honey Miracle Mask for now, but we'll see the outcome. It feels soft. Give me a little bit more. It smells good. I love rose water scents, like, I love it. Well, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to the rest of my hair and let you guys know my result, and we'll see which one won the battle of the deep conditioners. So you guys, I am done applying the deep conditioners. Now, the Rose Water line did have a little bit more slip, but I think it was because of the consistency. It was a little bit more on the liquidy side, and overall, it started to slowly feel similar. Now, the products aren't similar, but the products did go on well smoothly. I feel like my hair is slowly soaking up both sides of the deep conditioners, and it says to leave the deep conditioner on for 35 minutes to an hour without heat. Rinse thoroughly with warm water followed by cool water. And if you sit on the dryer like me, or if you have a hot head, it says apply it with a plastic cap and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, if y'all know me like y'all know me, I will not be leaving this on for 10 to 15 minutes because I feel like that's a waste of money. And I will leave it on a little bit longer because I want to roam around, do things, edit, eat, stuff like that. But I'm going to go ahead and stop rambling. So we'll see the comparison with the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask and the Rose Water Hydrating Hair Mask and see which one won the battle, or are they the same? Like, who knows? I'll be back with my hair all rinsed out and my final opinions on these deep conditioners. Hey you guys, so I'm back with my hair all rinsed out. I am absolutely in love with both of these deep conditioners. I already knew the Honey Miracle Mask was going to do me justice, but this Rose Water deep conditioner really surprised me. Both of the sides feel real moisturized and soft, like got some coils popping back here, and it just feels so like luscious and ready to style. Like I almost can't even like stop touching my hair, like how shocked I am. But I always knew that TGIN, they deep conditioners, I don't know, it's just like they never let me down. The ingredients are different, but basically it depends on whether or not you like the ingredients in the Rose Water line, acai and the rose water, or if you like the Honey Miracle Mask with the raw honey and olive oil. It's really all about your preference, but the Rose Water line did have more slip. Like I said, it was more on the liquidy side. I'm just in love. You guys see my results? So fluffy, soft on both sides. This one was Honey Miracle and this one was the Rose Water. My hair is soaking wet because I'm getting ready to film this style next. I'm so excited, and I know you guys can't wait to see my review on this, and whether or not I give you guys a thumbs up or a thumbs down on this one. But this bad boy right here is a go. It's a go for me. I like it. My hair feels luscious, and it still feels like it kind of has like product in it. Like, I don't know, it's just really moisturized. I left it in for a long time, but you already knew that. But if you guys have any questions, concerns, make sure you guys put them down below in the comment section. I will link everything that I use in this video in the description box below. But yeah, like before I go, like I hope you guys are doing fine, especially with this whole pandemic, coronavirus thing, and people getting stressed out because of lack of jobs and work. You guys just keep your hope up. God got us. He would not put us through anything that we couldn't handle. So we just gotta have faith and just be strong for one another and just keep pushing, because this won't last forever. But that is it for this video. You guys, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified any and every time I post. I post once a week and you don't want to miss out. Bye, you guys.